For 20 years I've been coming to Treyarnon Bay, and why? This is why. Hello everyone, welcome to Tigger Life. Now when you think about Cornwall, you'll be forgiven for letting your mind wander to all of the more famous places. Padstow, Newquay, Land's End, etc. There's many more. But what I'm doing today is I'm taking you somewhere that's really special to me. Now I've been coming here for 20 years. It's a little place called Treyarnon Bay, just south of Padstow actually. Now if you're new to the channel, I just need to let you know that what we usually do is use an exceptional vehicle to find extraordinary places in Great Britain. If you're one of my subscribers already, you'll already be aware of that. Now, full disclosure, we're not using a car today because I'm fortunate enough to be able to call this place home for 5 weeks of the year because we have a holiday home, literally 3-minute walk from Treyarnon Bay's beach. So, let me take you on this wonderful journey. Come and have a look at Treyarnon Bay and find out why it's so special to me. Let's go and have a look. Having visited Treyarnon for over 20 years now, of course, we've got so many fond memories over the years. So I actually proposed to my wife on the beach here. I'd love to show you the exact point and what I did exactly, but there's too many people and I just can't show you. And we've got so many memories of some of our dogs that are sadly no longer with us. Our first black Labrador, Winston. When I jumped into one of the rock pools, he jumped in after me and tried to save me. He was pulling my shorts to try and get me out of the water. And Marley, swimming in the rock pools, he used to love it. And Minnie loves the beach as well. She's not quite so fond of the water, whereas Winston and Marley used to love the water, but she loves the beach and she loves having a good roll. And why wouldn't you? Look at these beautiful golden sands. Now, whilst I love the beach at Treyarnon Bay, what I really love is if you head south, there's 4 magical little coves. So the first one is Wine Cove. Come and have a look at this. It doesn't matter what time of year you come to Cornwall, it's always incredible. But this time of year, it really does come into its own. The colours are just spectacular, almost tropical-like. Okay, so that was the beautiful Wine Cove. Let's go on to cove number 2, Pepper Cove. "20 years and I'm still discovering new things now. What's that?" Can't really get any further. Interesting though, isn't it? Okay, that's the beautiful Pepper Cove. Now we're off to Warren Cove. The walk from Pepper Cove to Warren Cove is probably just a little bit further than the walk from Wine Cove to Pepper Cove. So I'll just take this opportunity to have a little chat with you. So I mean, this is my idea of a walk, not another human being in sight. It's absolutely spectacular. It's just me, you, and this amazing scenery. How lucky are we? So what people usually do is they go to Treyarnon, and if they fancy a little walk, they'll, as they're looking out towards the sea, they'll turn right and go over to Constantine. Whereas if you go left and come this way, the views are awesome. It's much better. I think the reason why people go to Constantine over this way to the coves is because it's just a bit of an easier walk, really. But if you don't mind putting in a few extra steps and going up a couple of extra flights, essentially, of elevation, it's worth it. Pays dividends. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay, so that was Warren Cove, and now we're on our way to our fourth and final cove, saving the best till last. We're going to Fox Cove. You just wait until you see this. Ladies and gentlemen, Fox Cove. Look at it, it's beautiful. Look at the colour of the water, the colour of the sand. This is out of this world. And because of how the tide is, we're going to be able to get down there. Let's go and have a look. If you ever come to Fox Cove and you decide to get down on the beach, be really careful. This path is so steep and so narrow. This is the most challenging part, so it's camera off and I'll see you down there. It's a really tricky climb down, and actually once you're down here looking back up, you can't see a path to get back up. It's even more difficult making your way back up, so if you do ever come down here, please be so careful. But it is worth it. Have a look at this. So we made it down and we made it back up. That was Fox Cove. So we've done Treyarnon Bay and then all four coves. So we have Wine Cove, Pepper Cove, Warren Cove, and then the best at the last. In fact, they probably get better as they go on. The final one, Fox Cove. Now, I really have saved the best until last for you. Now we're going to go and watch the sunset over Treyarnon. So come along with me and we'll have a look at the sunset. So it's a good 20 to 30 minute walk back to Treyarnon. So I'll take this opportunity to just say hello to you if you're new to the channel. So if you like videos on exploring extraordinary places in Great Britain and also using exceptional vehicles like I do with the Land Rover Discovery or the Jaguar I-Pace, I do also have a Audi S4, but we use the JLR products more often. So if that's the type of thing that you like watching, why don't you subscribe and come along on the journey with me? I'd love to have you there with me. So here we are, sunset at Treyarnon. Isn't it just glorious? There we are everybody, what a way to end the day, sunset at Treyarnon. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stick around for the next one because in the next week or two I've got a really exciting video coming for you. So make sure you stick around. So as always, be good to one another, love life, always be kind to animals, and I'll see you on the next one.